To access the files you have been asked to evaluate, click on the task icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here's the list of all of the evaluations you have to do. Simply click on one to access the file and get started. On the right side of your screen, you will see a form that was filled by the candidate when submitting their candidacy. The questions are displayed in italic and the answers are in bold. When you're ready to begin your evaluation, click the button called Start My Evaluation. From here, you will see all of the evaluation questions you have been asked to answer. Your evaluation form will likely be different than the one you see in this video, as it will have been customized by the organization that asked you to evaluate. Your evaluations may be split in sections targeting different aspects of your analysis. Simply click on them to switch to a different one. When you're done, click on the Submit button. This will automatically mark your task that was linking to this file as completed. From the Applications page, you will see all the application files you have been asked to evaluate. From here, you can easily spot the file you still have to work on by turning on the switch at the top right called Evaluation Required from Me. You can also notice on the left side of the application table that an indicator is displayed: orange when your evaluation is still pending, and gray when completed. When you're in the application file, you can also navigate between them by using the bottom navigator to go to the next file or the previous one. And finally, you can use a task list accessible from the task icon at the top right of your screen as demonstrated before. If you're asked to meet the candidates to evaluate them, we recommend you sync your personal calendar to make the scheduling easier for you and the applicant. First, go to your account and then to your calendar. Then on the top right of your screen, click on the Link My Calendar button and then follow the instructions on the screen based on your personal calendar. Then go on to your availabilities page to add when you want to offer time slots for the candidates to meet with you. When on the availabilities page, click on the calendar where you want an availability slot to begin. From there, you can modify the availability settings to select an end time, add URL for a video conference or a physical locations, as well as make the availability repeating. Once saved, the availability will be displayed as such. From this point, invitations will be sent to the candidates you are assigned to meet. Once the candidates select a time slot, the calendar integration will push events directly in your calendar with all the information you need to get the meeting started. From the candidate files, you will also be able to see the details of that meeting, and you will be able to access the Start Meeting button directly from there as well. When starting a meeting, the video conference integrations will kick in automatically on a new tab of your browser, and a Notes section will open. When you're done with your notes, you may also have to evaluate the candidates depending on the organization that asks you to evaluate. If so, fill the evaluation as demonstrated earlier.